Welcome. My name is Yadira, a holistic practitioner and co-founder of Oracle of the Body. In this space, we bridge the connection between the mind, body, and spirit. Let's continue our journey into the lymphatic system and mood swings. In my last video, we explored how the lymphatic system, the father of the body, affects our emotional flow. In this video, you will learn about anger as the first intense mood swing. This mood swing affects thousands of women on a day-to-day. Anger is born from a lineage of unfulfilled desires. These desires are rooted in unmet expectations and needs. Many women move through life believing they must shape themselves into a version to be accepted, to fit into someone else's vision of who they should be. But this is not truthful. This is not authentic. And authenticity is the highest form of self-love. Now understand that self-love is not about self-isolation or self-indulgence. It's about being truly and fully present in your day-to-day, embracing what unfolds and allowing the true natural flow of your life. It's important to understand that comparison is the killer of joy and authenticity. And when women are constantly comparing themselves to others, they miss out on the present moment and embracing their true self. However, when a woman expresses her true self, accepts life unfolding for her, and tunes in to what her mind, body, and spirit is communicating with her, without resisting her inner voice, neglecting her own emotion, that energy then allows your lymphatic system to go through its natural flow. But if you do the total opposite of being authentic with yourself, your lymphatic system begins to store and hold on to all that suppression, repressing all those emotions, building up anger, resentment, frustration, guilt, sadness, depression, creating a false identity, which builds up in your lymphatic system. And when you finally are in your menstrual cycle, all of those buried emotions resurface intensely. This can last anywhere from 2 weeks to even a month, and it feels like a never-ending story. But this has nothing to do with your menstrual cycle. It has everything to do with your lymphatic system. Those trapped emotions need a place to be released. And before you know it, the people you love are the ones paying for it. Everything you love, everything you like, everything you want to do is paying for those repressed emotions. So, how can you release these trapped emotions? Because information without solution is pointless. I want to help you restore balance and flow. And the answer is simple. However, it does require radical honesty. It also requires commitment to truth, self-acceptance. And one thing for sure you must do is release what does not serve you. And here's the thing. Many women know what doesn't serve them, but many times women are afraid to face the truth, and this cycle continues. And because we have to release every time we get our menstrual cycle, these repressed emotions will continue to surface for as long as you hold on to them. It's important to detox the lymphatic system mentally and emotionally.